Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to do a garage update. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around and tuning in to see what is going on here at Harrods Garage. Bit of an update. Nothing has changed with the fiberglass, and nothing will for a little while. It needs to be put on hold for something a lot bigger and more important. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'll put my handle down the bottom and link in the description. You may see what is actually coming up. An engine build, engine rebuild, just like a Rico. The V10, which I've never done before, which will be pretty cool. So what we need to do is clean the garage. There's a lot of junk around. It needs to be a clean environment. Might even move some things around to make it a bit easy to access. Open up this area here so I can work on the V10. If you're wondering what it is, it's a V10. So just an overhaul. So I'll probably get rings done and just all the gaskets and water pump, and just check compression because it's running a bit low in 2 or 3 cylinders. Bit exciting. V10 getting rebuilt in Harrods Garage. I am going to do a build series, so it'll be however many parts it takes. I do want to get it done no longer than 2 weeks, but it's had so many issues, and that's why the engine is coming to myself, because it was going to cost a lot of money to get it redone at Dodge. Being an import, not a domestic here, it costs a lot of money. It's got all the kits and everything that's needed, even a workshop manual, so I can see all the specs of torque and rings and whatnot. So we're just going to go through it here and get it done for him, get it back to Dodge, and they're going to put the engine back in. So hope you stick around for that build, and hopefully that build explodes the channel as well. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down that corner, I think it's that corner. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Alright, let's get stuck into cleaning up. Guys, don't forget, I still have that $100 gift card to give away to one of my subscribers when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button down there and the notification bell, and head over to the link, which is in the description below, to enter the competition. Just got a comment on YouTube. I normally respond pretty quickly. It's 44 seconds ago, so it's just about the lower control arm bushes on the Mark V. One of the more popular videos that I've got out. Actually, the most popular one is the radio install in the Mark V, which is in the missus' car. At Christmas time. Okay, so I've probably got about half an hour before I need to go training, so put you on time lapse and we'll get cleaning up. Hopefully I can maneuver things around to make a lot more space. White line that never got put in. I'll get around to it, boys. Hi guys, I've got a little bit done, but it's time to go to training. And yeah, sorry guys, this is on hold. Hi guys, didn't really get much done yesterday, as you can see, and now today it is raining, so let's get stuck into it and clean up this garage. Alright boys, the bench is clean and we've got some space over here. This is where the engine stand will go. Get the heads off and work on it on the bench here. There's the K24. Look at all that damage that happened to this bonnet. That was the only dent. Now all of that, because the wind came in and blew it over onto the horses there several times when it was windy. Yeah, there's the front bumper. The skyline's still broken. So yeah, we've got room to work on the Viper engine now. Now, just contact my buddy to see when it will be here. If you like this episode guys, and you're pretty keen on looking at what's going on with the Viper engine, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see when those episodes come out. Thanks for watching guys, I'll catch you next episode. Bye.